Fritzing is an open source software that supports designers, artists, and hackers to develop electronic projects. Fritzing helps you to learn more about electronic circuits, allows you to document your projects, and even lets you prepare them for production. Once you have built a circuit on a breadboard, you can start transferring it to Fritzing. Fritzing has three different project views. The breadboard view is where virtual electronic parts can be wired and placed on a virtual breadboard, and parts that do not exist in Fritzing Spark library can be created using a parts editor. The schematic views, where a formal representation of a circuit can be viewed and edited, and changes made in one view instantly affect all other views. The Pcb view allows you to place parts on a printed circuit board. An auto router generates the traces, and the final PCB layout can be exported to the necessary production formats. Publishing and sharing your projects with the Fritzing community at fritzing.org can be achieved with just one click. The Fritzing Project Gallery contains a collection of projects for beginners as well as for advanced users. And Fritzing is available as a free download for Mac, PC, and Linux. Additionally, the Fritzing website offers learning materials and tutorials, a user forum, and the option to take part in development of Fritzing. Fritzing is being developed by researchers in the Interaction Design Lab at the University of Applied Sciences in Potsdam, Germany.